Can trading Forex and financial markets really make you a full-time income or some form of income in less than 30 minutes a day? My name is Lewis Crumpton, and this is Not Financial Advice, where we talk all things wealth, health, happiness, and how it is that you can live your best life. I am a Forex trader. I teach other people how to invest, and I often say that I can teach you, using the star trading method, how to trade in less than 30 minutes a day and start generating an income safely. Often people don't know how to do that, or if that is even possible. So in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be running you through and revealing our secret process that only my mentees normally get to see, where I'll be running through 30 different markets in less than 15 minutes across all three of our major strategies that we trade. So I'm going to reveal to you today how it is, if you know what you're doing, you can trade financial markets and be making profit through trading Forex safely in less than 30 minutes a day. Enjoy the video.
All right. Hope everybody is doing very, very well. Happy weekend. We have a few tickets left for the South Africa Social, so if you do want to come to that, let me know. Very, very excited for that. Yeah, keep me posted. We do have a couple of tickets left, so obviously are all going to go because it's next February and it's an absolutely incredible trip, and flights are now available for that time of year as well, so that's really exciting too. So let's start with the markets. Let me just share my screen. There we go. Obviously we're going to be looking for a trending market for this strategy, because we're starting with pullbacks to see if we can find it. I know we've had a couple of winners off of this market, which is quite nice. We've got lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Do have a reversal candle here, so I wonder if anyone's taken it, but then bear in mind we are moving into the 200 moving average, so maybe we don't want to take that one. Next market, not trending, so we will move on. Next one, for me this isn't trending, this is like a swoop rather than a trend, so we've swooped and then down, so we're starting the trend from this point here. Next one, not trending, it's now moving in a sideways direction, probably because it's responding to this level here. Oil, no, not trending. We can kind of see an asymmetrical triangle happening here, which is interesting. This one also isn't trending, not got those clear higher highs and higher lows. This one we've got a nice clear higher high, higher low. Moves all the way up here, higher high, higher low. So if we get a reversal candle now, then I'm quite interested in that. Euro CAD, no, not trending. I'll just move all this old analysis off. Next one, lower low, lower high, lower low, breaks the trend there. So we're now starting from here, higher high, higher low. Let's see what it does. Euro GBP. So from here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Again, we've got the start of a trend with higher highs and higher lows, but now we need to have a particular candle to warrant us trading it. This one isn't trending. FTSE, not trending. GBP Aussie dollar, not really trending. You could just about argue higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and reversal candle. So potentially we have an entry point around here. The weekly time frame, what's it doing, is up. Want to be careful of that level though, is the only thing. So potential there. GBP NZ was trending, so high high, higher low, high high, higher low, higher high. It's now broken the trend, so no. GBP US dollar, no, very sideways that one, not trending. GBP JPY, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Reversal candle, so we've got potential there. Germany 40, no. Copper, no. NZJPY, no. NZUSD, no, it's broken the trend. S&P, no, not yet. Gold, no. Silver, no. US dollar CAD. So we've got higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then it's sideways movement. So for me, this has now failed to continue the trend, so I'm not interested. US dollar CHF, no. US dollar JPY, no, again, it's just moving sideways there now. US dollar ZAR. So we've talked about this one before. It's strong upward movement, but it's not creating a clear trend. GBP CAD, no. And then Wall Street, no. So now I'm going to change template over to breakouts. So now obviously looking for sideways consolidation patterns. So this isn't a clear consolidation for me, so I'm going to move on. Now this I quite like as a consolidation. We've got multiple tests at the top and multiple tests at the bottom. So I'm going to draw that in. This we'd potentially want to trade up, but just be careful of the levels you're seeing. Weekly MACD, so weekly time frame is up. Aussie dollar NZ, no. Now we've got a sideways break here, but it's not clean levels, so I'm not too interested in that. Crude, no. CAD JPY, no, it's not clean enough sideways there for me. Same with Euro Aussie dollar, we don't have a consolidation. Euro CAD, yep, not that one either. Euro GBP, no, I'm looking for those 2 tests on the top level and 2 tests on the bottom level, which I'm not seeing here either. Not seeing on this one, not seeing it on the index, not seeing it there. See, this would have been really nice if it wasn't for that pop up there. So we've got 2 nice levels on the bottom. We would have had a nice level here if it wasn't for that, so that's a shame. GBP JPY, no. Next forex pair, no. Next one. Oh, here we go. So we've got tests on the bottom here and we've got tests on the bottom here. I like that. I'm hoping, yeah, weekly MACD is down, so potentially looking to trade this one down. German index, got a clear test on the top here. We kind of have a test here, but it's broken it there, so I'm not a big fan of that one. Copper, no. NZJPY, no. But look, we have a nice little consolidation pattern in here, and then it's popped up. NZ US dollar, oh, there we go. No. S&P, no. Gold, no. Silver, no. US dollar CAD. Got a nice test of the top level here. I'm waiting for another test really of this level, then I'll be interested. Again, definitely sideways movement. So consolidating, just not in the clean pattern that we want. Again, definite sideways, but not in the clean pattern. No. And then Wall Street, no. But I'll move on to the final one that we'll be looking at today. Reversals. Now we're early in the month for reversals really, but let's see what we can find. No, it's not hitting the level that I want it to hit. Next one, no. Still stuck around that central pivot. No, it's moved too far away from this level now for me. No, that's in no man's land. Oil, no. CAD JPY, no. Euro Aussie dollar, no. Euro CAD, no. No. Can't we need these markets to move a bit harder, get up to these or down to these levels we want. No. No. GP Aussie dollar, no. GP CAD, no. Next one, no. Next one, no. Oh, I jumped one there. No. Germany 40. Now that's hit R1 and we've got a level there which is quite nice. But looking at our other indicators that we need to use, it's not where it needs to be. Let me check the weekly out. Kind of in no man's land in terms of weekly support, so I'm not too interested in that. Next one, copper, no. NZJPY, already hit the level and pulled away. Guys in the gang, have any of you taken this trade? Because you should be well in profit if you have. NZUSD, no. S&P, no. Spot gold, no. Spot silver, no. US dollar CAD, no. US dollar CHF, no. US dollar JPY, no. US dollar ZAR, no. And then Wall Street, no. So as I said, we are a bit early in the month for these reversal patterns, so let's keep an eye on the note and see what happens. There we have it, this week's live market analysis.
So there you have it. I've just analysed 3 different strategies across nearly 30 different markets in less than 30 minutes a day. Now do not worry if at this stage it goes over your head a little bit. I'm sharing knowledge and information and talking jargon that you don't quite understand. That's very natural if you're completely new to trading. It is like learning a completely new language. But if you want to learn that language, if you want to understand how it is that you can start to apply the star trading method to the markets and start making profit for yourself in the safe way whilst being part of an incredibly supportive and global community, then check out the resources section I've got for you in the description of this video. I've got something there that is just for you that you might like, so check that out. My name is Lewis Crompton and this is not financial advice.